What's up, everybody? Good news. This Accord is getting, check that out. I don't know what it is. I don't know what style it is. I don't even know. All right, it's Yoper style. Well, I don't know how that looks, so we're gonna go ahead and install them. We're getting rid of those right there, the one that pop out, and we're gonna go ahead and install these, and we'll do a quick video on that. So stay tuned and keep watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you guys subscribe. All right, so that's coming off right there. And if you have any questions or something like that, make sure you DM him on his IG, hashbrown.joy. I'll put his thing in the description, his IG. But this Accord is sick though. We just finished his rear diffuser T10. And just waiting on him to take this out. I wonder how it looks.
Definitely because I'm aired up.
Alright, there you go. So, yeah, we used one jack over there, and one jack right there. Because I'm traveling, I'm visiting, so that's all I can use right now. I can't bring my 3-ton jack all the way up here. So he's taking out the older screws and, you know, small brackets that comes with that side skirt. So we're gonna take that off and upgrade. It's gonna look awesome. Oh, here they are, by the way. Forgot to show you. That's how they're gonna look. That's the rear side right there.
I'm gonna drink water real quick.
That's it. Bring two. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and install them, and they flush in perfectly. What you want to do is start off over there and literally just 3M tape the top. See that side? 3M the side all the way to the top. He put in 3 small pieces like 3M tape right there, but you know, for extra safety. But it is what it is, but it flushes in perfectly. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. And hold on, I'm gonna take it off the video now.
Screw.
All right, no, it's screws here. I put it here somewhere. Here. Oh, the bit came out with it. So what we did on this side is they're gonna have this flap over here. We take it out, unscrew it. Oh, I gotta focus. We unscrewed it, and we made a mark with this, and we did the screw in through it. So when we put it back in, it's easy to install. So we're gonna screw it back through. This will secure the bottom skirt. And also we'll do a few screws underneath it anywhere, and we'll just push this in and you'll get that spot right there. It'll align together. And then you see how we didn't take off the whole 3M? That's what you want. Just that much. We squeeze it in, and then the rest we got to take it off all the way and push the side skirts against that. So drop a like, let me know what you guys think about this once it's done. Take your time with it, do it on a good day. Check this out, we are almost done. This jack is down, he's getting the last one down. That's done. So, check out the side skirts. You make sure, same thing on this side. We put on, you know, Phillips, aligned it with that one, so it's in. 3M tape the whole piece, and the bottom we screw a bit, like 1, 2, and 3, to make it extra secure. And also, we're gonna put one here. Let's take the wheel off. See, one screw right there against this line anywhere is good. Like I would say in the center is really good. So you secure the back area. That's it. That's all you gotta do. It's so easy to install this stuff. Yeah, that's how it's gonna look. And if you say it's gonna come down, don't worry about this. How it looks because of the touring and how the trim. See that one, like an inch? I guess it's like an inch off. But that's how it's actually made, so don't worry about it. That's if you have a touring, it's gonna fit on that. You'll see your trim going right across it. It looks awesome. Yeah, man. And the car's not even dropped, so the whole point of upgrading to this one is that when he drops it, that looks like it's on the ground. But there's still some mods coming up on this one for sure. All right, we also put this as well. It's pretty awesome. And yeah, so we gotta adjust it out right now. When he drops it, we'll see how low it goes now. I'm excited to see how it looks. It's a nice upgrade he got. That is awesome. Look at that. That is crazy. So yeah, his tires are a bit thick, so he's planning on changing them so he could drop it even lower. Look at that. That is crazy, guys. Drop a like on this one. That's awesome. Bro, that's awesome. I don't think you want to go any lower than this. This is it. The front lip.
It's on the ground now.
This is literally on the ground now. That's it. You're good. But I hit the weed. Oh my god. What? Don't mind the weed over here. Check this out, guys. It's literally touching the ground. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, do so. I hope this video was entertaining, satisfying. It's pretty awesome, guys. I don't know. I really like it. That's dope. Alright, peace out.